On behalf of the members of the Scientific and Organizing Committee, it gives us great pleasure to invite you to this year's collaborative event, bringing together the 18th Pan-Arab and the 13th GCC and 26th SNS associations as a shared conference from 12th to 14th January 2023 in Jeddah Hilton with the theme of Back to the Future and Reaching New Heights. As we come together, we'll be able to share, live, and in person, the excitement of new dynamic developments being introduced in the world of neurology once again. Furthermore, we look forward to the camaraderie that will illuminate the space when we are joined together again to share knowledge but be able to examine new existing technology and resources within the industry as we work and partner together to reach new heights and press on with the future of neurology. Explore the virtual platform. Kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy sign-in process. Open the link on the registration email sent to you, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password on your received registration email. If you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and receive an email to reset your password. If you have not registered yet, kindly click the button to register now. Lobby. Once you've signed in, the window will direct you to the main lobby, and this will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs on your dashboard's upper side without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button that you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. Our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies in this unique virtual exhibition hall. Even the booth looks realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. At the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only for speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. Once again, on behalf of the members of the Scientific and Organizing Committee, along with the entire Pan-Arab, GCC, and Saudi Neurology Society, look forward to welcoming you all to the 2023 event. We look forward to sharing the exchange of knowledge, practice, and academic information that will be discussed to enable an even brighter future for neurology.